Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the feature in Settings, so do that now. Open Accessibility and tap Zoom, turn it on, and you'll see immediate magnification. Once done, pick a zoom region. Window zoom keeps more context, while full screen enlarges everything. Make sure to enable the zoom controller if you want a floating button for quick taps. You'll also set the maximum zoom level between 1, 2x, and 15x. Choose a comfortable default and move on to gestures. Once zoom is active, learn the gestures so you can move fast. Double tap with 3 fingers to toggle zoom. It's the quickest way to check content, then return to normal. Drag 3 fingers to pan across the screen, and pinch with 3 fingers to fine-tune level while keeping context. Make sure to enable smart typing if you type a lot. It isolates zoom to the text field so the keyboard stays usable. Practice these until they feel natural. To finish, refine the settings so zoom works for real tasks. Change the zoom filter to low light or grayscale if colors or contrast bother you, and tweak maximum zoom for comfortable use. If gestures stop responding, restart the iPhone or toggle zoom off and on. That often clears a sticky state. Also set the accessibility shortcut to triple-click the side button so you can enable zoom instantly. If problems persist, check for iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.